May I proceed to fish you. May I proceed with pistols. She might proceed to kiss you. Moms might proceed to miss you. 25 to life, no tissues. Only in the strip they can frisk you. Only up top it's an issue. Sex, money, murder, Pete pistol. Homie in the books, he official. Out of town Prince came crucial. Life without parole seems crucial. No bill, no court seem crucial. 5 spades in the hand might fool you. Brooklyn, snapback, A1 felony. Sidewalk, headshot, white chalk memory. Best stop Brooklyn, sufficiency of memory. Life after death, we promise to live energy. Life after death got more friends than enemies. Life after death bring more pain than penalties. A hole in your head was the tendency. 10 misdemeanors equal felonies. A bitch will blink out your memory. Best friends turn into jealousy. Homies then turn into enemies. 25 to life longevity. Never blow trial successfully. Always beat cases separately. Hey, Jewish lawyers bring chemistry. Kites get low, they forgetting me. American greed changed Harlem. Pardon, my new J's on look nauseous. Starks, you and then Spike at the garden. ACG boots, feathers flying out your bubble goose. You could get robbed, and I could get robbed too. Cautious, I know bloods that ring bells. From juvie to Sparfit to up north cells. West Coast Hoover, Crips in the feds. Bloods and Crips and Compton bump heads.
BX son, the first 48. BX son, first 48. Sana son, Sana son. No.
A couple bad bitches, 100 racks stashed by the glass dishes. Fish scale like you bass fishing. Only difference, my lawyer beat the sentence. Them niggas say that they ballin'. All of you in the Civic, I'm calling you niggas bitches. My rules come through, pay all you niggas a visit. And we ain't doing kung fu. Staten Island from the same place, Barry Blue. Made $1 million, you could catch me out in Cali soon. Them niggas had bricks, they was building homes. Fresh out the crack house, no building stones. Park Hill niggas will let you feel the chrome. Home invasions, we hoping that you was still at home. Run up in your spot, gun cop, one up in the Glock, chamber ready to pop. This another block banger. Chasing a few million for the cops, hang ya. No suicide watch on the side block. Suicide doors, pull up, let the 9 pop. 9 shots, ride for my niggas, why not? Pine box, shoot through your wrist, time stop. Everybody riding till we pull up on your blind spot. My city, when you come across that ferry boat. Real shit, talk facts, nigga, every quote. Them niggas spit crack, this is heavy dope. Drama hour, K-Slay on the stereo. Leaders of the new school scenario. Here we go, this gon' be another burial. We run it down on them laces sneakers, right? Somebody call a doc, he ain't breathing right. Somebody call a doc,